I can see.
She is hurt. Oh, we might have to save her, Max.
Hello.
They're telling us to help her. Huh?
Mommy, get that.
Okay, we need to go get a box and put her in it. Oh, do you hear the birdies talking to us up there?
What are you doing? Look, Callie. Here's your friend. Here's your friend.
Back away. Her friend's really worried. Let's go over here so Red Belly will stop crying. Yeah. Oh, Red Belly.
It's Red Belly.
Come here. That's Red. Okay, so we put the mama bird in that blue bucket with some fluff.
Oh no.
Let's see. Here, let's go sit over here. Red Belly's worried we're gonna hurt his wife.
Is that Red Belly?
Mm-hmm. The boys have the color and the girls don't. So he's a boy and the birdie in the bucket is a girl. So I think that might be the papa and she's the mama. He's very worried about her because she got hurt.
What'd she get hurt?
I don't know. She was in the road. She got hurt. I think she might have fallen or something, but we've got to figure out how to help her. I'm just going to let her, I'm going to stay away from her for a little while because I don't want to scare her and I don't want to scare Red Belly. She seems to be okay. She's just hurt. So I might need to just let her rest in the fluff. We can give her some water here soon. Does that sound good?
Why
Let's
did
just-
you stay in the box for 2 hours?
Yeah, well, she's got to stay in the box. You know why I put her in the box? So animals don't hurt her, and so she doesn't get hurt. So she's nice and safe. That's why I put her in that box with fluff and got her out of that road because she would have got hit by a car.
Why?
Because a car would have just hit her. They wouldn't have seen her. She's so tiny. They might not have even seen her, bud. So now she's nice and safe in that box with some fluff. So we'll just let her rest.
Why?
And there's her friends. They're coming back to look for her.
Come over here, buddies.
She's in the box. She's okay. She's just got rest, guys.
Come on. Attack, buddies. Attack, I will hold those buddies.
Yeah, Mommy had to hold the birdie because it was sick or hurt. And it couldn't fly, so I had to pick it up with my gloves. There's Papa.
Can I hold Papa?
No, we don't want to scare them. They're wild birds. They get scared. See how scared he is right now? He's very scared. He's just crying. He's worried about her. See, look, let's see if he finds her. He can fly in that box and visit her. Let's see if he figures that out.
Go fly in the box and see her.
Yeah, it's fly in the box. I think he's trying to figure out, he can't see her, but I think he can smell her and maybe sense her. He might know she's close by, so he's got to find her.
What is a buddy? Again,
He's up in a tree now. We don't want to go by her. We'll scare them so much. They're so worried about her. We need to let them find her. See? Red Belly just swooped down again. He got nervous. So come sit with me, okay? And be very, very gentle.
Scared, Papa?
Don't be scared, Papa Bird.
Well, there's peek at the baby bird.
Yeah. We'll just peek. Don't worry. We just want to make sure she's okay. Is that Papa Bird crying again? Just make sure she's okay. Yep, that's him. There he is again. Chasing us. He's chasing us because he thinks we're going to hurt her. Hold on. I just want to make sure she's okay. Okay, don't touch her. Don't get too close. What's that, Max? What is it? Is that water and seeds for the birdie? And we're just gonna go on a walk and leave her alone for a while to see if she's okay, huh? She might be in shock. So she might just need to rest. Let's go put that in her box and then we'll go on a walk, okay?
Yes, she
Yeah. There he is.
eat other seeds.
Now she's got food and water in there. Here's the Papa. He's worried about her. He's staying there. He's been there for like 40 minutes now and he won't leave. And there's his little wife. She's in there with some food and water and some fluff. We're gonna go on a walk and leave her there. Hopefully she's just in shock and she'll be okay. Say, we'll be back, Papa. Take care of her while we're gone. Hi. It's okay. It's all right, you guys. They're so worried about her. You're okay. Beep. Don't put your head too close to her. Oh!
She has it.
She loves you, buddy. Oh. It's okay, we're taking care of her. They're flying at us, telling us not to hurt her. We won't hurt her. She's still here. It's been about 4 hours since we found her. Oh, there's Papa. He is yelling at us. He doesn't want us anywhere near her. Oh my, Max. Okay, shall we move away from her again? Maybe we should get her a little more water. What do you think? She peeped at you.
We want to get more water.
Yeah. Do you think she needs a little bit more? Because it spilled a little bit, huh?
No.
Mm-hmm. Careful, don't rattle her.
Why?
Because she's trying to rest. We need her to rest. She peeped at you. Yeah. She peeped. She likes you. She says, thanks for the seeds, Max. Oh. She's saying, thanks, buddy. Thanks for giving me seeds. Oh. She says, thanks. Should we let her rest a little longer while we go have a rest and get some lunch? We can come see her again. See, she's getting... No, she doesn't want any juice. Let's just let her rest so that she can get a bit better, okay? She needs to get better and stronger. She peeped. She's doing okay, Max. She ate some of her seeds. Oh. Hi. She's doing okay. She's gonna be alright, huh?
Sally, how's that baby?
No, she's a wild birdie. And look, there's Papa. He just jumped. We won't hurt her. Don't worry, Papa. Oh, there's her friends. They're all flying at us saying, get away from her. It's okay, Papa. We won't hurt her. Oh, they're so worried about her. Look. It's okay. It's alright, guys. Oh my goodness, look at all her friends. They're all worried about her. Oh. They're all making sure that we're not hurting her. She's okay, guys. Oh my heck. Papa is so worried. He is so worried. Watch out for the car. Oh my gosh.